AI can't fit heat pumps for you. So we get a lot of people from just general public making phone calls. They have the same questions as everybody else has about having low running costs and something that's greener. And lots of people who wish to transition from an older heating system to a new heating system. Yes, certainly there's a massive need for new people in the trades. One thing I noticed, I'm the training manager for Grant Engineering, we get a huge demand for training. We would train just below between 900 and 1,000 people every year. We train guys on only how to install the products, not only how to install the products, but also how to do the service and the maintenance then thereafter. It's certainly a growing industry. It's the one thing that, if you go back years ago, everybody said, go into computers, go into coding and stuff. Your computer can't go, AI can't fit heat pumps for you. So it is something, and it's not just even just in terms of gender. There's loads and loads of women getting into the trade now as well. So from the installation pipe, from design, from service and maintenance, it is a growing trade, and it's something that you can do very, very well down to make a living out down the line as well.